In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a wallpaper in Roblox Studio. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This quick and easy method you can use on any template you want. So open up a game where you want to add the background to, wait for it to load properly, and once you are loaded in, all you have to do is use the toolbox at the left side of the screen. Usually it is located at the bottom left corner of your screen, but if you can't find it, mess around with the settings on Roblox Studio until you can view this toolbox tab. Once you find the toolbox, just look on the search bar for background. Wait for it to load, and as you can see, you can find a lot of backgrounds this way. All you have to do is click once and the background will automatically load into your creation. Like I mentioned, this is a very quick and easy process, and if you don't care too much about the individual details, this is a very quick and easy way to find anything you want to use as a background. As you can see, this one includes scripts, which means that it cannot load in properly. But as long as you find a basic one that just contains an image, it will automatically load in and you can start playing your Roblox Studio creation. I hope I was able to help you on how to add a wallpaper in Roblox Studio. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.